Hey guys, so I popped all the bubble wrap. It's really fun, and Dad popped like the last part tonight, and I did it. Yay! I popped all of it. And look, you probably seen the screen thing, and look, it's the Illuminati. Dun, 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 dun. And I got that T-shirt from Christmas, and yeah, so I popped all the bubble wrap. Yay! Woo! So see you guys in the next video. See ya!